Congratulations guys, you finished Linux Bash scripting intermediate level. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you felt this was a valuable course and that you learned a good amount about what it takes to script inside of Bash and Linux. Let's go ahead and talk about some things that we can follow up with after this class. And let's go ahead and talk about the things we discussed in this course. So first we covered introduction to Korn and Bash shell, process management, writing scripts, advanced customization of the shell environment, programming logic, advanced input-output with streams, string manipulation, security, command line processing, performance and porting issues, overview of file manipulation utilities, additional file processing commands, functions, compound commands. We also did a couple of projects, the first one being finding a missing file in a directory, and then directory traversal through a file system tree, so we kind of saw how we can create a script and it'll just sort through the directory and list any files that are in that directory. We also did a third project that had 6 examples of Bash scripts in it. Again, I want to congratulate you on what you've achieved by completing this course and the projects. Be sure though to continue your learning, guys. Don't just stop here. Take some of our other courses that we have available. Look up as many resources and articles as you can. Practice labs, set up your own environments. Continue to learn so you can keep the skills you have as well as build upon them. Some good classes that we offer that would be valuable to take after this course would be Learn PHP Programming, Introduction to Python Programming, Linux Management for System Administrators, which is another course I'll be teaching, and Intro to HTML and CSS. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this course. This has been a course by coding-bootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on social media such as Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter, and other social media platforms. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next class.